EA Sports. It's in the game.
Hi there everybody, Martin Tyler here along with Alan Smith, and our match today comes from the Premier League. Southampton in action today versus Brentford. Southampton Football Club remains an extraordinary example of how you can change players and change managers and still continue to develop.
It puts such a pressure on the recruitment team, doesn't it? But they've managed to keep on working the magic, if you like, bringing in players. Big turnover.
It's Glenn Cooley in charge of this match. Terrific entertainment on offer here, I'm sure, as the game gets underway. In midfield, they've got it back via an interception. And here's the shot. Southampton's corner. Fantastic goal! A goal of top class, really, here.
Well, you've got to want to head the ball, Martin, and this player did, and certainly attacked that corner with a lot of desire.
Well, let's take another look at the goal. So the first goal, it's 1-0. Attacking now. The shot's on. That's a good try. Beat the goalkeeper, beat the post. Able to ease the pressure by that interception. Well, that tackle has just changed the emphasis of this passage of play. They're on the front foot now, and shoots! Could have been his second, but the goalkeeper has at least nullified this particular attempt.
Oh, you fancied the striker there, didn't you? Having already scored, he's been playing well, he's confident in front of goal.
And the ball's gone again. And it's gone out for a throw. Lost his man. Brilliant team play this, with the passing, the movement off the ball to make the passing possible. Got on the ball in midfield, well read by the player in that part of the pitch. Now they've got the ball, let's see what they can do with it. That's a good ball, isn't it? They're on the attack now. Shots on here. Oh, he's failed to hit the target. Tremendous understanding from these players. He's got it away, and that's what you have to do. And that will be a throw. Now, it could be a chance. And it's the equaliser here. He looked as though he's just passed it into that bottom corner.
He has made that look incredibly easy, but he's got that cool, calculated air to him today.
A good look here, again, via the replay of the goal.
Oh, it's a great finish to take the keeper at the equation. I mean, the keeper had no chance there. Bottom corner.
It is level. Both sides have scored here now. now. The assistant has raised the flag for offside. Well, now they've won the ball back in the middle of the park by intercepting that pass. Minute to go of added time. That's the way to win the ball back. Well, everything to play for in the second half. We've reached half-time at 1-1. Well, what a good game we've got here. Very evenly matched, these two teams, and they are level at the halfway mark.
Well, they've really gone at it head-to-head, giving us some good football to enjoy, and just hope we get more of the same after the break.
And the referee has blown, and the second half is now in progress. Oh, no scraps for the attackers to feed on from the goalkeeper that time. Hung on to the ball well. The opposition back off, they could be in trouble when the ball gets to here. I think the cross is on. Here's a chance to whip it in. The shot's on! He missed it. Going to be a change for Southampton. A sub's going to come on. We've got the away manager indicating he wants to make a substitution now. Shot on! It's the wrong side of the post, but only just. Well, we're going to get substitutions from both camps now at the same time. It's what you do when you get the ball that really counts, and they're trying to make the most of that turnover in play. Now, the referee's seeing that as a foul. It is a free kick. Well, they've decided to make a change. There's activity down there amongst the substitutes, and one will be coming on. And the cross coming in. And shoots! Oh, great work by the keeper.